Welcome back to another lesson of the beginner's course. I hope you are enjoying this course because from now on I'm going to keep you busy. Before starting to learn how to play music with the guitar, it is important to talk about the posture and the technique of the right hand. Basically, the function of the right hand is to produce sound by plucking the strings, but this is nothing new for you. However, to have a good start, it is important to learn how to produce the best sound possible while playing the guitar. In classical and flamenco guitar we have two different right hand techniques that serve different purposes. Apoyando, or most commonly named in English, the rest stroke consists in attacking the string by resting your plucking finger on the string that sits right above the intended one. That means we play one string by letting the finger falling on the following string. It seems complicated, but after doing it a few times you will feel how natural this technique is for guitarists. Flamenco players use it a lot. The other technique, the tirando or free stroke, works the same way, but this time we don't hit any string after playing. Apoyando provides a full and consistent sound to play melodies, for instance, while tirando is more suitable to play fast arpeggios, accompaniment and fingerstyle. But both are interchangeable and can coexist depending on the music you're playing. One important thing to mention is the posture of your right hand. In order to be able to play for a long time and also to avoid getting tense while playing, we want to keep the wrist straight but also relax it. And you might have to adjust the angle of your right hand according to the technique that you are using at the moment. We'll start by using the I and M fingers for now, and in order to learn how to play fluently and fast, I advise you to alternate both of these fingers. Think about the act of running one foot after the other. Let's do some exercises to employ both apoyando and tirando. Starting with apoyando or rest stroke, we place the thumb on one of the bass strings, and your wrist cannot be too low or too high. We alternate I and M fingers on the first string. And notice that I'm walking on the second string, but I'm actually plucking the first string. So, I finger, M finger. Play slowly, note by note, to learn the movements. Then second string. And the third string. And now we're going to do two notes quickly. Second string, third string, and now three notes. Now we can do the same but employing tirando. So thumb on one of the bass strings, and now we play it free and not against the following string. Now two notes, quick. And finally, three notes. The speed is not important, it's important that you play relaxed and alternating the fingers. Not too difficult, right? Now I'll leave you with a few more exercises that you can do to keep practicing this every day, and there's also a PDF available for download, just like every other lesson. Good luck, and I'll see you on the next lesson. Bye!